Hey guys, this is Robert Maya with Best Install Team LA. We're in downtown Los Angeles right now in Placita Alvera, right behind me. So let me tell you a little bit about my company, Best Install Team. So what we do is we do our measurements. You guys give us a call. We'll go out, measure your window, measure your screen doors, and we'll order for you. Come install it after. So the area we cover is LA County. So that's pretty much all the way from Palmdale to Long Beach, Oxnard, all the way back this way. I think that's east, what is it, Ontario area. So yeah, that's our area. We go further, but you gotta call us. We'll let you know. You can make it out to your place. So a little bit about the products is, you know, we do window coverings, window screens, roller shades, vertical blinds. We do solar shades. That's another product. The screens, we do rescreening, or if we need a new screen for your window. The bugs out.
I got it.
You know, right now with all these mosquitoes around, you need a lot of some good window screens to keep them out. The bug. We do sliding screen doors and a lot of in between. And we do security doors also. So a security door with the windows, with the screen to keep the bugs out. So pretty much we install anything that with a screw. If you can shoot it, we can install it. So yeah, if you guys need our service, just give us a call. Number is 818-618-3975, and just ask for Robert. Or you can reach us at our website at bestinstall.team.
Like a pro.